Toxic people are everywhere. They can make your life stressful and difficult if you don't know how to handle them. But dealing with toxic people doesn't have to be hard. Today we will talk about simple and smart ways to protect yourself and stay calm. First, understand what makes someone toxic. Toxic people often bring negativity. They criticize you, manipulate situations, or drain your energy. Recognizing these signs is the first step to dealing with them. Next, set clear boundaries. This means deciding what behavior you will accept and what you will not. When a toxic person crosses your line, don't be afraid to say no or walk away. Setting limits protects your peace of mind. Also, keep your emotions in check. Toxic people may try to make you angry or upset. Stay calm and don't react with the same negativity. Sometimes ignoring their comments or walking away is the best response. Another smart approach is to limit your time with toxic people. You don't have to cut them out completely, but spending less time with them reduces their impact on you. Focus on building relationships with positive and supportive people instead. If the toxic person is someone you must interact with regularly, like a coworker, keep communication clear and professional. Avoid sharing personal information and stay focused on the task. This helps prevent conflicts and drama. Remember, it is not your job to fix toxic people. You can only control how you respond. Prioritize your own well-being and mental health. Sometimes seeking support from friends, family, or a counselor can help you deal with toxic relationships. In summary, dealing with toxic people the smart way means recognizing their behavior, setting boundaries, staying calm, limiting contact, and focusing on yourself. By following these steps, you protect your happiness and live a healthier, stress-free life. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself and choose positivity.